Now look, Buster, let's have an understanding. Now what? Brother, what a way to run a railroad. Now, as I was saying... All right, let's get this picture started. No! Listen, pal, let's discuss this thing sanely, huh? Look, I tell you what, you go your way, and I'll go mine. Live and let live, right? Right. Ladies and gentlemen, there will be no further delays, so I shall attempt to entertain you in my own inimitable fashion. Now what? What are you doing down there? Down here? What are you doing up there? Down here. Listen, bud, if you wasn't me, I'd smack you right in the puss. Don't let that bother you, Jack. Okay, buddy, you asked for it. Oh, brother, I'm a buzzboy. Uh-oh, time to hit the old silk. Geronimo! Under a spreading chestnut tree, the village smithy stands. The smith mighty the man is famous, strong and sinewy. And... All right, enough is enough. This is the final, the very, very last straw. Who is responsible for this? I demand that you show yourself. Who are you? Huh?